Bugzcat, and today I gotta go blow my nose real quick. Doing the RC cars video. I'll be right back. Bugzcat. Was it A-tube or little tube? Little tube.
Little tube.
Little tube. And how do you spell it?
Board. Land.
There we go. Got the name.
Who's in the back?
Videos.
Okay, so Bugzcat, Little Tip, Borderland videos. And what's gonna be on the front?
Awesomeness. Awesomeness. That's a good one.
Awesome videos. Awesome. So good.
Awesome.
We put
videos.
Look. We put Bugzcat.
Bugzcat. Then we got Little Tib.
Borderland.
Then we got Borderland. Then we got Awesome videos. Cool, huh? Hey, you can barely even see it.
Who cares? The light might shine on it.
If you had a silver, it would work better. Borderland, Bugzcat. Look, let's see if they can see it. Borderland. That's Borderland. That's Little Tim. That's Bugzcat. Wait, yeah, Bugzcat. And then
Awesome. I can't see it.
Awesome
Videos.
You can't see it good, but it says videos right there.
Yeah. V-O-D.
So guys, we can be in the video real quick. Oh, I guess. Yeah, in the video. Next video, or not, we might not do it as a video, but we're going to be mounting a flashlight to the front on this screw that we use to mount the hood. My cousin's trying to tighten it. Yeah, so bye! Me, look at that.